Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a ring matching your bracelet that I showed you how I'm doing in my last St. Valentine's video, and I will link it up there to see. So if you like this ring and you want to know how to make it, I'm showing really easy step by step how I'm doing it, and I'm sure by the end of this video you will be able to make it. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming projects. And if you want to support me and make me more and more tutorials, it's a good idea to like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. You don't know how much you help me with this. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my videos, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Now I will start with the list of the materials and I will show you how I'm making this ring in red. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this video are 8/0 beads in this beautiful red color, and I'm using 11/0 seed beads in two colors, red and silver, size 10 beading needle, and here I'm using fireline, and this is 0.006 inches, and I'm using scissors. And now I will take about 4 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 1.2 meters for those who measure in centimeters. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have my thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by picking up 4 red seed beads, 8/0, sorry, and I'm sliding them down, sticking my needle here in my mat, and here I want to make a knot. Okay, and I'm making a knot by making a loop and going twice with my tail thread through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Okay, now this is what I have, and what I want to do is go through this red bead. And now, like in my previous video, I'm going to show you how to make my heart shape and then my ring band. Okay, and I'm adding red seed beads all around these beads here, the 8/0s, and now I want to exit out of one of my 8/0s, just like that, and I will take 3 more 8/0s because I want to make a circle of 4 beads here like I had in the beginning, but I will use this bead as my 4th one. And again I'm making a circle of beads here, and I might want to go reinforcing this circle. Then what I want to do is go through my next 8/0, okay, here, and I will repeat the same process. I will take 3 red 8/0s just like that, and I will go back in circle through this one here. Okay, so now this is what I have, and I will go one more time around those beads here. Okay, then what I want to do is go through my 3rd 8/0 and take 3 more 8/0s, okay, like that, going back and reinforcing. So what I basically did here is that I made a central circle of beads, and then I made 3 elements around it from the 3 sides of it. And now my next step is to go here from this bead, and I will make one more element. Okay, I have this, going back in circle through this one, just like that, and of course reinforcing. Now I want to go up to here and make one more shape, just like this one. So I'm going through these beads here. And as I said in the beginning, what I want to do is reach this bead, and I will take 3 8/0 and I will go back through this one here. Okay, then I will reinforce it. Now I'm going out of this bead. And now guys, this is what I have, and I will start adding seed beads around it, and to make it look like a heart. Okay, I'm taking 1 seed beads, going through the following bead, 1 more, going through here, 1 more, and here in this step, only in this step, I'm going through 2 beads. Okay, here just 1, and I will skip this part. These 3 beads I'm skipping, then just 1 seed bead and go through 2 beads again, the same way I did from this side. I'm doing it from here. Now I want to take 1 seed bead, go through this 8/0, 1 more, go through here, 1 more, go here, then take just 1, go through this middle bead in the center of your work, and my last step is go through here. Okay, and what I want to do is exit from this bead. By the way, you could do reinforcing here as many times as you want to make your heart stronger, but now from here I will start making my ring band. Okay, and I will make my ring band by taking just 3 red seed beads and going back in circle through this one here, like that. Then I will go 1 more time around of those beads here, and I will exit again here. Okay, now in my next step I will take 5 seed beads, not 3 but 5. Okay, and I will go back through this bead here in circle. This way I have a circle of 6 beads. Then I will go through those 2 beads and then through this one, and what I want to do is add 1 silver bead here, forming something like a flower. Okay, I'm taking this bead and I'm going back through this, the opposite bead, and in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, fixing my thread a little bit, pulling it just like that. Now this is what I have, and I will go here through these beads, and I want to exit here, and I want to start my next element. Okay, and for my next element I need 5 seed beads again. Okay, these are 6. Okay, I need 5, and by going through this one I will have 6 in total in a circle. Okay, I will do the same thing, going through these beads and through this one here, taking just 1 silver and going to the opposite one, to the opposite bead in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, so let me show you last time. 5 beads, circle of 6, going to the opposite one, exiting back here. Now I will do 9 elements and I will be back. If your finger is bigger or smaller, do less or more flowers, and I will be back to meet you to show you how to attach your ring band. Okay guys, now I have my 9 flowers here, and what I should do is attach this here to this bead that is on the side of my work. Okay, so I'm exiting from this side of my flower, you see this side, and what I want to do is take just 1 seed bead and go through this. You see this HO that is from this side. Okay, now I'm pulling, then I will take 1 more seed bead and I'm going through the same bead that I'm exiting out of from my flower. Okay, you see what I have? I have absolutely the same thing that I had from the other side. So what I want to do is reinforce it. And now, as I'm exiting from this bead, I will take just 1 silver bead and go through the following red one and pull. Then I will take 1 silver, just like that, and go through these 2 beads around my flowers. Okay, then just 1, go through the next 2, one more, go through these 2, and then continue doing this until you reach here, and when I'm here I will show you how I'm doing the other side. Okay, and as I continue beading, I'm here and I will take 1 more seed bead. I will go through this one here, and I'm exiting right here. Okay, this is what I have. Then I will go through this 8O here, just like that. I will take another 8O and go through this bead here. Then 1 more, sorry, not 8O but 11O, and I'm going through these 2. And it's absolutely the same thing from both sides. Now I'm going to continue this. Okay, 1 more and 1 more. Okay, and I will finish this up to here, and I'll be back to show you how I'm making my knot. Okay guys, and now I'm here and I will add 1 seed bead. and I will add one more and with this one I'm finishing my ring band here. Okay, I have my heart and I have my ring band, and I will go through some beads. Okay, and I will make some knots. And how I make my knots, I'm making them by making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and you could continue doing this and then you're ready to cut your thread. Okay guys, now my ring is ready. Here is one that I made in silver color, and this is the bracelet. Just to remind you, I did this bracelet in my last video and I'm linking it at the icon. So if you want to support me and make me do more and more videos, you could subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified for my new videos, and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my videos, I will be happy to see them if you share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.